Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So today we are looking at XYO Network. I have been actually looking at it for quite some time, and it has been popular on Coinbase for some time now. So I thought it is a good idea to cover this coin. So first of all, I will be covering its price action, price analysis, and other things regarding the token as well. So first of all, we'll just quickly look at its supply and circulation supply. As you can see, it has been around ever since 2018, and it has a max supply of around 13.9 billion, and it also has the same circulating supply, which is pretty nice because we don't have to worry about other tokens coming in the market. So in terms of its holder, let's just quickly look at it. It has over 91,000 holders, which is pretty high number if you look at it. So let's just try to see what is happening with them. So as you can see here, this is the biggest holder, and after that we have a KuCoin and this one. So let's just see. Okay, so he actually bought from Coinbase and he is holding the token, so it could be one of the whales or even a team as well. So as you can see, as for this one is also buying from the Coinbase. So let's just try to see if we have any other buyer here. So okay, so this one is also from buying from the Coinbase. The last one was around 10 days ago, which is pretty good. Okay, so this one is a long time holder, so I have actually read the limits, never mind that. So let's just let's just see if we can get this one open. So actually this one actually got the token from this address. So this address, I believe he has been doing a lot of transactions, as you can see here. So overall, I think the premise is that the top holders are buying the tokens, which is pretty good as of now. As you can see, same goes for this one. So that is pretty good. So in terms of its availability, it's available on KuCoin. As just a second. So let's just see the highest volume. So it is available on XYO, Coinbase Exchange, KuCoin, even crypto.com, and Get.io and other things. So the highest volume it is on XYO, which is in the XYO EUR pair, which means that it has much of a demand coming in from the Europe. So you have to keep in mind. Secondly, we have the highest volume on the Coinbase, and after that we have KuCoin and Uniswap. So there are some things you have to keep in mind regarding this coin. So I won't be going into what it does and what it is. So it is basically an oracle along with other categories such as Internet of Things, Deepen, which is for, I believe, AI, and NFTs, even metaverse. And you have to keep at this last thing, which is alleged SEC security. So basically what SEC did, that they released a list including XYO Network and Naga and other coins, which actually so Naga and XYO Network were actually termed as a potential SEC security along with others such as Solana and others. So you have to keep in mind that it is alleged SEC security, but still SEC lost to the Ripple, I believe. So that means that may not have an impact on XYO anymore. So still you have to keep in mind that is something you have to keep in mind. So in terms of other things, we have other coins as well. So in terms of its funding, so it actually raised over 13 million, which was in ICO, as you can see here, nothing more than that. So we have their ecosystem. Okay, so this is their team. So as you can see here, their CEO has worked as a RE Foundation, founded XY Labs in 2012, which is pretty big. So he has been in the work around, I believe, 2012, as you can see here. So which may be a good idea. So in terms of their products, let's just try to see. So their products include XYO Network, Coin, and XY Find, and other features as well. So I do have some issues regarding their coins. So they launched an application called for Inventory. So basically this is a world's first decentralized data analytics tool, and which has Netflix on it. So they launched around They launched in July of 2023, and as of now it is still in beta. So you have to keep in mind what they have been doing ever since that, but still it's in the beta. So they have other things coming in. So I think if they actually launch these things, these other things, I think the network will grow and the demand will increase as well. So basically, as for the token itself, the XYO token is required. It is required to use their Oracle, so which means that it does have a good utility in terms of that. So that was the thing that I want to talk about. So now let's move to the most important thing, which is its price and other things. So first of all, we have to look at the Coinbase exchange and look at the lowest market cap it went. So if we look at the sheet which I have made, as you can see here, at the lowest of the previous bear market in around, I believe, 2022, the price went as low as $0.0027, and the market cap at which point should have been around 38.7 million. So as of now it has a market cap of around, just a second, let's move this here. So it has a market cap of around 160 million, around that. So that means it has basically for 3x or even 4x as its low. So in terms of its high, so its high was actually on the Coinbase, as you can see here, which was around 0.08. So the market cap it hit was around 1.16 billion. So as of now this one seems to be out of the range because there is a lot of competition in the market. So I think still it does have a potential to at least go over $5 million if we have a big news coming in or something like that. But as of now it has been going up, and I think it may actually hit this. It does have a big resistance around here, so around, just a second, around 0.015. So I think it rejected this resistance and it came down here. So I think what we need to do, we need to break this resistance and close above that to go above this levels. So I think another resistance it is around 0.022, and if we are able to break this distance we may be heading towards its all-time high or even below that. So still, if you are interested in this and how it works, I think the entries you will have to it is better to wait for the proper entries. So in terms of entries, I think we have a good entry around, just a second, let's just see what is going on here. So this one does not look good because I don't see a solid demand zone. Okay, so we do have a good demand zone around here. We do have a good demand zone around 0.008 and 0.0076, which is pretty good. If not, I think this support could actually play out around 0.0086. so if not, I think you can actually enter at this point as well. So I think this will be a sniper entry around 0.01. It is a bit riskier, but I think this could be a sniper entry which you could look at it. And I think if this one comes here, it may head towards again up at higher levels. But if it does reject this one, I think we may be heading lower than that. So in terms of its price, I think it does have a potential if we see a big updates from their platform, and as the demand for AI projects increasing, and it is one of the AI projects, I think this could actually work out pretty well for the XYO network. So yes, this was it. Let me know what do you think about XYO and where its price is heading. I just wanted to cover and provide a recap on it and what is happening with the project. And this I hope these things actually help you. So I will be back with more. Thanks for watching.